In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add banner on eBay. A store banner, often called a marketing banner, sits prominently on your eBay store and is perfect for highlighting promotions, new arrivals, or your brand message. We'll walk through the exact path to reach the banner tools and make sure you know what to expect along the way. We'll start from the guidance eBay provides for customizing your store. In that guidance, you'll see two key ideas: stage your story and use a marketing banner. Think of stage your story as the place where you shape your storefront's look and feel, and the marketing banner as the eye-catching strip that promotes what matters most right now. Begin by signing into eBay. At the top, hover over My eBay, then click Selling to Open Seller Hub. From there, select Store. If you already see your store workspace, look for Edit Store in the left sidebar or along the top menu and open it. This takes you into the editor where your branding, layout, and promotional elements live. Inside the editor, find the area that helps you stage your story. Within this experience, you'll see the option to use a marketing banner. This is where you add a clear headline, short supporting text, and a link to the most relevant destination, like a sale collection or featured category. Keep the message concise and benefit-led so shoppers instantly understand why they should click. If you're running a limited time offer, include the dates right in the copy to set expectations. If, when you click Store, you're prompted to choose subscription, that means a store plan isn't active yet on your account. Select Choose Subscription, pick the tier that suits your inventory and budget, and confirm. Once your subscription is active, return to Store and open Edit Store. The marketing banner option will appear with the rest of the customization tools. A few practical tips as you set this up. Use brand consistent colors and imagery so the banner feels integrated with your storefront. Aim for strong contrast to make text readable at a glance. Keep the banner uncluttered. Visitors scan quickly, so lead with the main benefit and a single compelling call to action. Preview your changes to ensure the banner looks great on both desktop and mobile views. And refresh your banner periodically to keep your store feeling current, especially around seasonal events or major restocks. That's the process. Follow the store customization guidance, go to Store through Seller Hub, open Edit Store, and use the marketing banner to stage your story. If needed, activate a store subscription first. Thanks for watching and happy selling.